Welcome. If your WhatsApp isn't showing your contacts or you're having trouble seeing who's saved on your phone, don't worry today. I'll walk you through exactly how to enable your contacts on WhatsApp. This is the updated method, and it works on most Android phones. Let's get started. First, open your phone's Settings app. You can usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you're there, scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management. Depending on your phone brand, the name might be slightly different, but it means the same thing. This is where all your installed apps are listed. Next, scroll through the list and find WhatsApp. Tap on it to open its details page. On this screen, you'll see several options, including storage, notifications, and battery usage. What we're looking for is permissions. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you'll see all the types of permissions WhatsApp can use, things like the camera, microphone, and of course contacts. If contacts are turned off, WhatsApp won't be able to access the names and numbers saved in your phone. To fix that, simply tap Contacts and then choose Allow Access. That's it. Once you've turned on the contacts permission, go back and open WhatsApp. Tap the chat icon and you should now see your full contact list appear, just as it should. If your contacts still don't show right away, try refreshing the contacts list in WhatsApp or restarting the app that usually updates everything instantly. Enabling contacts ensures that WhatsApp connects smoothly with your phone book, so you can call, message, and share with people easily. It's a quick fix that often solves a lot of syncing issues. Thanks for watching.